Dear students, welcome back in our fourth online session for subject Manage 160, Engineering Mechanical Engineering Drawing. And this is your instructor, Engineer Ibrahim Abu Hassanin. Today, we'll work with this exercise. It's figure 14 in your exercise book. As usual, we'll study the drawing and then start drawing front, side, top view of this object. And our object contains of prism here, 124 by 104, with two grooves, 60 and 6 height from here and from here, and they are in the center of my base. At the top, we have 80 by 100 prism, and this prism have some configuration here. We have inclined line, and we'll deal with inclined line for the first time in this lecture. Okay, here we have slot, and we can see the slot is taking the upper and the lower cut. So, as usual, we ask ourselves where to start, front, side, top. I see from here the easiest view here is the side view, so let's start with the side view and we'll continue projecting our exercise. So side view, we have 104, 12, okay, and here we have 60, and the group is the 6 millimeter height. So let's start. This is our AutoCAD. As usual, we'll start with our cross construction line, okay, and we'll give the width of our box here or base 104 by 2. It will be 5.2, and will be offset by 30 for these. And offset 5.2, then offset 5.2, enter to the right, to the left, and enter 30 to the right, to the left. Okay, so this is our width, and the height is 6 and 6. It will be 12. Let's go. Where's the, okay, and offset by 6, enter 1, 2. So this is our base. Let us draw it. And our base starts from here to here, up, there, goes down, here, goes up, and close. Save. We're saving as OS4, Ortho figure 14. Okay, just continue. What do we have? We have this part of our box, 80 by 100. See, it will be 80 from here, then 40, offset 40, 40, and we'll go up by 50. Okay, let us go back to our AutoCAD, get rid of these in order not to be confused, put one in the middle, and we'll offset by 40 to the right, 40 to the left, and we'll put a construction line horizontal here and take it up by 50, offset 50, and take it up by 50. This is our box from the side view. Okay, so this box, we have a groove here, so we have to go from here to here. It's to 25 down, 20 30, 25, etc. and close. Okay, let's go. So we can now go line from here to the up, 25, 20, 30, 20, 20, 25, or to the end it will be the same, and we'll go down. We almost finish the visible part of our side view. The visible part of our side view. We have this shape here, like U shape, and we have this shape here. This will come to end of our first part of our video. We'll continue on other parts. See you later. Do it yourself and we'll continue.